Okay lads, today I'm going to show you how to install Android the 3.5 Alpha onto your HP Touchpad. I'd like you to go to the link below and I'd like you to download the file, the link I've just provided, and you should get CM7 Android Alpha 3.5 in a raw file. I'd like you to extract this file anywhere onto your desktop or an empty folder, and you should get 5 files. Okay. You've got the ACMEInstaller, Gaps, which is the Google Apps, More Boot for multiple booting, the CM7 itself, and the Clockwork mod right here. Okay. Now you'll also need to install the Novacom drivers. Now I'll provide a link where you could install the drivers from, but if you have pre-installed already onto your WebOS, then you should have Novacom drivers already installed. So go into your test manager, and as you can see, I've got my Novacom driver right there. Okay. Now, so I'd like you to go into my computer, go into program files, okay, and look for a folder called Palm Ink. It's right there. Okay, so make sure you have this. Okay. Now I'd like you to extract ACMEInstaller. Okay. Sorry, I should have not closed that window before. Program files, Palm Ink. Okay. So I'd like you to copy this file only, okay, into your Palm Ink folder. Okay. So I've already installed it. Okay. Now I'd like you to close this window, enable USB mode onto your HP Touchpad. Okay. Now this time we are going to copy 4 files, so it's these 4, onto our touchpad. Okay. Our computer. Okay. HP Touchpad. Now this is the root of your touchpad. So I'd like you to create a new folder, okay, and call it CMINSTALL. So CM install, all one word, lowercase. Okay. I'd like you to go inside this folder. Okay. Now I'd like you to copy these 4 files: the gaps, more boot, update CM7, and update CWM. Okay. So you could drag and drop or copy and paste. It's up to you. Okay, I'll just paste it into there. This may take a bit of time, so please be patient. Okay, so we've got the 4 files in our CM install folder. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is eject your HP Touchpad out of the USB mode. Okay, so eject. Okay, now over to our touchpad.
Okay, now over to your touchpad. I'd like you to go into settings, okay, and I'd like you to click on to device info. Okay, the stupid camera isn't focusing as well as I wanted to. I'd like you to click on reset option, which is right at the bottom, and then there's restart right at the top. I'd like you to click onto that and hold the volume up button until it shuts down. You'll get this little oval thing. Now once you see this USB logo, okay, then I'd like you to let go and go back onto your computer.
Now once we got the USB mode on, I'd like you to go into start, go into run, and obviously we want to call the CMD, the command prompt. Okay, in here I'd like you to type in cd c semicolon backslash program files, okay, now cd again, palm apostrophe inc. Okay, now you see we're on this path. Okay, the camera is trying to focus onto this. Now I'd like you to type in novacom boot mem semicolon // space less than space ACME, so it's ACME installer okay. Now when you're ready, I'd like you to hit enter and then quickly switch over to your HP Touchpad. I'll just show you there you go, that's the code. Okay. Yep. Now when you're ready, just hit enter and switch over to your HP Touchpad, where you should see all these right.
So once you hit enter on the command prompt, okay, you should see something happening on your touchpad. Now, if you've got a low-powered computer, then it may take time, probably 4 to 5 minutes. But if you've got a really powerful one, it probably does it straight away. Okay, so something is happening. We just gotta wait. Sorry about that. All we could do just be patient for now. Okay, now it's really taking the piss. I'm still running a single core AMD processor. Okay, now something's happened now. So, okay, you get all this writing on the touchpad. So it's installing your Android. Okay, obviously you gotta be patient. This will take time. There's the 2 Linux penguins at the top. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna skip the video forward, so you don't have to go. You don't have to see all this. Okay, I'm just gonna skip it step by step. Okay, now it's installing all the APK files for the Android. So when it stops like this, don't worry, it's still doing something. Okay, this part does take quite long, so just be patient. Okay, I'm gonna skip forward, and there's my mo boot. Okay, dual boot. So I'm going to hit the power button and select CyanogenMod, and that will launch the Android. Okay. The first time it does take quite long to load. And there's a boot animation for the CyanogenMod. You can change that on later if you want, by going into the systems folder. When everything's loaded up, you have to go through this setting, the Google account setting, but I'm just gonna skip all that for now. And there's your Android. Okay, see, as you can see, the touch screen is working. And you can just go ahead, use the market, and install all your favorite apps and or games as well. Thank you for watching.